This place is very big. I want to explore everything before I go home today. There are so many stores here. I want to check each one slowly and enjoy my time. I will take some pictures here. I want to remember this fun day forever. This picture looks nice. I think I will send it to my parents later. Yeah, they'll like it.
Oh, I am sorry. I was not looking where I was going.
I need to be more careful. I almost fell just now.
Wait, where is my phone? I cannot find it in my pocket now. How is it possible?
I had it a minute ago. I think I dropped it somewhere in the mall. I will go back and check every place. Maybe I will find it on the floor.
It is not here. I feel very worried because my phone is important.
You look worried. Did you lose something important just now?
Yes, I lost my phone, and I cannot find it anywhere in this place.
You can go to the help desk. Maybe someone returned your phone there.
I didn't think about this.
That is a good idea. Thank you for helping me. I will check there now. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Great.
I hope someone found it and kept it safe for you.
Excuse me? I lost my phone. Did anyone bring it here today? Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Let me check for you. Yes, someone found a phone and gave it to us a few minutes ago. Wait a moment. Here it is.
That is my phone. Thank you for keeping it safe for me.
You're welcome.
I am glad you found it. Now you can relax and enjoy your day again.
Thank you for helping me. I really appreciate your kindness today.
You're welcome, Noah. I'm glad I could help.
It means a lot.
Anytime. Just be careful next time and keep your phone safe.
Okay, I will.
I learned something important. I should be more careful with my things.
Now I will enjoy my time without worrying about losing anything again.
This time I will hold my phone tightly and stay careful always.
Today started fun, then became stressful, but now everything is fine again.
I will go home now and tell my parents about this day. Today taught me to stay calm and ask for help when needed.
It was a long day, but I learned something very important. I will never be careless again. I understand this lesson clearly now.
I am home now. I have a story to tell about my day.
I feel happy now. Everything is safe, and I learned to be careful always.